Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can participate in the SVERV airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward at the end. So this is a campaign I came across and it is likely to do well in the future based on my analysis at the time of making this video. But please, anything I'm to say in this video is for educational purpose and mostly based on my own opinion. So make sure to make your thorough research before participating in the campaign and also do well to do your due diligence. Thank you. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this project and how you can get started. So everything you need to know, I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video for you to check it out yourself. Then I'm going to explain this based on my honest opinion and my honest review towards it. So I came across a channel that talked about the project. Fine. So this is a project that you can register and get 2,500 of the token. So the name of the token is SVERV. So you can get it, and it's currently showing a price of $750 at the time of making this video. So you can see the price here, which is like 0.3 USDT. And apart from that, the wallet you need to register on to get the airdrop, you can also buy ETH, USDT, USDC, and hold also. So you need to download the KWTCN wallet using an invite code. So for those of you interested, I'm going to drop my code at the description of this video. I'm going to show you guys what to do. It's going to open up a wallet for you with seed phrase. Yours is to put down the code, then you automatically get the token. So you're going to get 2,500 tokens. So it's currently not live on any exchange, but you can do this to get as well. You can also invite people to join for them to even participate in this campaign. So this is a project I'm going to keep you guys updated on. So make sure to be active. So for you to get started, this is what you need to do. So you need to create a wallet. So you need to create a wallet with them, and I'm going to show you guys how you can process it. Alright guys, so I'm going to drop all the necessary link like I said at the description of this video. So you can download it using your Android device. So the file is saved, the APK is saved, just is to download it. So what you just need to do is to click on allow, then it's going to bring you here. So for those of you that don't have an account, what you just need to do is to click on create wallet. Now make sure to put down your invitation code here. You can use my code as you can see on the screen. So you need an invitation code to register this. So please make sure to use my invitation code for those of you that are interested. So you click on create wallet. So you are going to see successful. Alright, so you agree to the terms and conditions here and you click on create wallet. That is going to bring you here. What you just need to do is to put down a login password and confirm the password. Alright, so after that you confirm the password, then you click on continue. Then it's going to show you, click on show to view your seed phrase, then you click on continue, then manual backup, then I already know I won't back up for now. Alright, wait for it to process. Do not save annotation by taking screenshots. Backup now. So make sure to back up your seed phrase, very important, which is like this. Then click on continue. So then click continue to confirm it. So already you click on confirm, it's going to show you like this, congratulations on the successful of the backup. Then click on understand. Now it's going to bring you here. So once you automatically registered on the wallet, they are going to automatically give you 2,500 SVERV on the Ethereum chain and another 2,500 SVERV on the Tron chain, as you can see on the screen. So in total, you are going to get 5,000 SVERV. So the price, like I said, is 0.3 at the time of making this video, but it is currently not live, and this is going to be live in the future. So as you can see on the screen, so in total you're getting 5,000 SVERV. So this is a dual chain, so they have the Ethereum part, they have the Tron part, so you're getting 5,000 of it, so you can accumulate more of it till when it goes live, then you're good to go. So there are different ways you can also earn SVERC. SVERV token by inviting your friends to join, by even performing some tasks. So if you click on tasks, you are going to see different ways by which you can earn. So if you click on join tasks, you can follow them on X, subscribe to their X also. Then you can drop the proof here. So link to the site, you can drop proof here, then you click on done. You are going to get 200 SVERV. So available to join. Then for other tasks like join Telegram also, if you click on join Telegram, you can join their Telegram, perform the tasks and get 200 as well. Then if you go back, same thing with join YouTube for 200 as well. So if you click on VVS. So VVS is a way by which you can stake your USDT to get some yield and also be able to get the token as well. So if you click here, so the minimum for this is 10, cycle for 5 days. Minimum for this is 0.01 ETH. So cycle for 5 days also. So this is the percentage depending. Click on Tron also. If you have to use Tron network, this is it. Network under Tron as well. So if you click on Tron, alright, so if you click on Tron, let me click here, put down the amount, like minimum is 100 Tron, minimum is 100 Tron, like using 100, then you click join. So this is how, and this is how you can join this. So if you click on home, now I've set it to Tron. Then click on Tron. It's going to bring you here. You're going to click on receive. You're going to see address, copy it, then send the amount of Tron you want to stake for you to be receiving SVERV token. And you're also going to be getting 5% yield of your Tron on when you deposit on the project, which is withdrawable. So you can withdraw the profits you are going to get from the yield and then be receiving this token that is going to be under Tron. So all the necessary information on the SVERV, I'm going to drop you at the description, like the lock percentage, everything you know, everything you need to know about it. So see transfer, like if you earn some reward in Tron, you can transfer it out as well. So you can drop the address, the number of TRS you want to send out. If it's not TRS, be it USDT under Tron, or you can send this also to the follow wallet. So this currently you can just send it to a follow KWTC wallet. So the other advantage on this project, so you can click on me, then you're going to see job application. So here you are going to apply for job, be it based on the node. So you can see primary node. This is based on the amount stake for you to get some yield. So you can see new performance up to 2,000 USDT can apply. You can see this also. You can see this also. You can see this, and you can see it's based on the percent. So you can apply for some job commissions also on the project. So yeah, an easy way for you to confirm your wallet is to click on wallet to create new wallet and the rest, and to restore your wallet also. So but don't make sure you save your seed phrase. So you can see invite here also, easy way for you to invite and the rest. So you can switch to Tron from here and you click on confirm. So you can switch back to ETH from here, then you click on confirm. So let's check the details of this token. So I'm going to use the address from the ETH. So let's visit this site, which is half.ai. Now, what you all need to do is to paste the address. So I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video. Okay, look at it. So this project is currently not live at the time of making this video. So you can see on that run. So this is the address, market cap, holders not available now. 24 hours trading value also not available. So I'm going to drop all the necessary updates for you at the description of this video for you to make your research. And the site I'm using for this is half.ai. Very good. So is what you just need to do. So like I said guys, you can also stake to earn the reward as well. You can invite your friends for them to earn the reward. So I'm going to drop a list of the benefits of you referring your friends to join, the benefit of you staking also, you can see on the screen. So and some other benefits you are to know. So this is how you can get started on this project. So if you click on me also, you're going to see different details you need to know. Security settings, you can see it here. Language, team for you to monitor your progress, you're going to see it here for grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Then apart from that, you are going to see language setting as well, English and other kind of language. and you can share with your friends also. You need to see your details also, your avatar if you wish to choose any avatar from camera or album, anything, then you're good to go. So this is how you can get free 2,500 SVERV token on the Tron network. So guys, like I said guys, for you involving yourself in this, make sure to make thorough research, and it should be by your own conviction to do anything staking. And this is my honest review on the project, and this is AG update, your friends in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.